Coach, meron
Yes.
akong question.
Aha.
No? Tawag dito, kung sakali, yung mga iba sa mga, or ilan sa mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon, nandiyan na sila sa gitna ng pagpapanggap.
Okay.
Ano bang maipapayo mo sa kanila, Coach? Hanggang kailan ba sila pwedeng magpanggap? Or ano yung maipapayo mo sa kanila to change their situation?
Ito yung mga hindi fake it till you make it.
Yes,
Kinaklaro ko lang. Kasi baka,
nagpapanggap talaga sila.
Nagpapanggap talaga. Aware na ba sila o hindi? Malamang yung tanong mo, aware na sila. Okay.
Aware sila, Coach.
Be true to yourself. Because the truth, apart from what we know it, the truth will set you free. But just like what I was also saying a while ago, in our example, when you know yourself genuinely, that is the time that you can empower yourself because you would know your strengths and weaknesses. And by knowing your strengths and weaknesses, you can improve on your weaknesses and further strengthen your strengths.
Yes.